Hi, I'm Aja, the one who posts on the Canva Design Circle. So, a lot of you guys are asking how I did it. So, today I'm going to show you. Okay, first, here you can see I ready my image and I prepared 2 pages for this project. So, let's put here first page, and here is for the second page. So it's up to you if you want to leave it leave the image with background, but here I will remove the background. Then apply. So once we apply the background remover, now we're just going to put the image this in full size. Make sure the image won't, be like this, like that. So it would be easy to know if uh, both of the image from the first page to second page is the same, has the same size. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to put the image like this in half, like that. And then uh, once we have that, as you can see it's perfect. Oops, it's a little bit, yeah, like that. Okay, now once you have that, you're just going to copy it and place it in the second page. And you're just going to put this one like that. Okay, like that. Okay. So once we check here, as you can see, it's most likely pretty much the same, or it's pretty it's connected to each other. So you would know if it's not connected because the page won't be showing the whole body perfectly. Sometimes not even, it's not balanced, something like that. So yeah, then after that we're just going to save it or download the 2 page. So let's just download it. Okay, now we have the 2 designs. Now we are going to place it on the mock-up so we can see if it's in the right position. So here I already ready the mock-up, so we're just going to apply it. So I'm just going to drag the downloaded page here. So this is the first page. So let's try to put it here. Okay. And okay, now we're just going to save it and wait so we can see the design on the first page where we can see both image. So let's wait. It's still saving right now. Okay, I think it's okay now. Now let's go back to the first page where we can see the both image if it's perfect. So let's, as you can see here, it's placed now. Now we're just going to put the second page so we can see if it's working. Okay, so let's remove this one and then add another page again, and then let's drag the second page. Oops, here. So we're just going to do the same thing that we did on the first page. We're just going to drag it until all the way here, and then check, and then let's save it, and then let's check if it's working, if it's balanced. So yeah, that's it. That's how I did it. Sometimes it's taking too long if the image is in not in the right position. So yeah, at first it took me 1 hour, I guess, to make those um images in the middle. So yeah, so let's wait. Okay, still saving. It's pretty slow, right? I'm so sorry. I have a very old laptop. That's why it's very slow. But yeah. So now the moment of truth. Let's check if it's working. It's done. Now it's, yeah, as we can see here, it's not too perfect, but yeah, that's how I did it. As you can see, if it here, if the image is not right, you can see here there's a line here that it seems that the image is not in the right position. Now all you need to do is just go to the Canva and fix it. Just adjust the image, and then you download the image and repeat the whole process again. That's how I did it. So I hope that I help you with, I shared how I did it, and I hope that you like it. I hope that you learn from it. So yeah, thank you and have a great day.